Hello, my name is Clay Duvenek from Cohort 16 of SMU Guildhall, and today, June 5th, 2011, I will be going over how to export animations out of 3D Studio Max for the use in the May 2011 beta version of Unreal Development Kit, or UDK. To begin, we will need to go ahead and download and install the ActorX plugin. You can find ActorX by going to UDK's website and downloading it from there, as shown on my screen here. After you have downloaded it, unzip the file and place the plugin in the Plugins folder for 3D Studio Max, as shown on my screen here. Once you have done that, open Max like normal. Once Max is open, find the file that you wish to animate from. For this tutorial, I have already made a rough animation to export from. Now that your file is open, go ahead and click on the Utilities tab, which is represented by the hammer. After you have clicked that, click on the More button and select ActorX, which is generally at the top of the list. Click OK. Now that the ActorX plugin is activated, we need to set the output folder for not only the animations themselves, but the skeletal mesh for the character. For this tutorial, I'm going to head and select Desktop as my location. So click your location that you wish to use and click Use Path. Now we need to name the file. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the word test. Once that is done and you've named your file, click Save Mesh and Repose. Click the OK both times, and that is basically just to show that it has done the work. Next, go to Animation Exporter down below and go to Animation File Name. For this one, I'm typing test due to the fact that the file name types are different. After you have named your animation file name, skip over Digest Animation and go to Animation Sequence Name. This is where you name the actual animation itself. For mine, it is a side step animation, so I will call it Side Step. After you've done that and named your animation, you need to figure out what the animation range is. For mine, I've decided that it starts at frame 30 and ends at frame 120. After you have figured out your animation range and entered it in, you can now click Digest Animation. Click OK, and after it is done working on it, go ahead and click Animation Manager. At this point, you will have your animation name up at the top in Animations. You can have multiple in here, but it's generally requested that you keep it kind of small. Click on your animation name and click the Move Over to the Output package. After you've done that, click the Save. Click OK, and then click OK. At this point, your animation has been saved in the same location as your mesh, as shown on my desktop here. Congratulations, you have just exported animations out of 3D Studio Max, and I would like to thank you for listening today.